There are over 100 filters that ship with Photoshop, and they're all located under the Filter menu. Now, a number of these filters are associated with Filter Gallery, and others are simply listed under the menu, broken down into smaller categories. I like to think of filters as belonging to one of three primary categories, either practical or utilitarian, artistic, or content creation filters. So the practical filters include solutions for sharpening images and making color adjustments and reducing noise in images. The artistic filters apply creative effects such as paint splatters and distortions, or blurs or traditional photographic effects like glows. Finally, the content creation filters help us to render new items and effects such as trees or flames and clouds, lighting effects, and more. In the next few videos, we're going to take a look at some techniques that make use of some of the more commonly used filters, learn how to convert layers into smart objects for maximum power and flexibility when applying the filters, and look in detail at the different controls that the filters have. I've also created a document with over 100 examples of filter effects created in Photoshop. You'll find it in your exercise files folder.